students, today let us learn about writing, that is one among the 4 language skills called listening, speaking, reading and writing. Good handwriting had been significant since the time we started our formal education, and it continues to be the same in our professional and personal lives. So today's class we are going to learn about meaning, definitions, major considerations, importance of writing, characteristics of a good handwriting and prerequisites to teaching writing. Before introducing writing skill, let me quote a great essayist, Sir Francis Bacon. He said, "Reading makes a full man, conference a ready man and writing an exact man." So let us know the meaning of it. Reading makes a full man means through reading, a person gathers lots of information, gets the ideas, hence equips himself with a good source of knowledge. Conference a ready man. Here, conference means conversation. While being engaged in conversation, we exchange our thoughts, share ideas, negotiate our understanding, which matures our understanding about the topic. Writing an exact man. It means while writing, a person pens down his vague or abstract ideas, gives them a definite form and an accurate structure, and thus gives a perfect shape to his ideas and thoughts. Now let us understand meaning of writing. Meaning of writing can be understood well keeping reading along with it. As we have learnt about reading through my previous videos, reading is an act of looking at the printed or written symbols, giving sounds to those symbols, forming the words and sentences, and thus understanding the meaning of the given text. Writing is an act of transferring your thoughts, ideas, information and emotions into symbols. Definition of writing skill. Writing is a system of written symbols, that is alphabet, which represent sounds, syllables or words of a language using various mechanisms or techniques like capitalization, spelling, punctuation, word order, word form, syntax, etc. Skill is an ability or capacity which is acquired through deliberate, systematic and sustained or continuous efforts. So, skill is an act of performing any complex activity in an easy, smooth or effortless manner. Let me give an example. Swimming is a complex activity. To learn swimming, a person needs to be trained well in different techniques. For learning swimming, one may take a month or 2, but once he or she has learnt it, practiced it well, he can really effortlessly dive, float or perform many other such activities related to swimming effortlessly. So now we are towards some main considerations or main points about writing. Writing is a productive skill like speaking because it involves producing language rather than receiving it. While writing, a learner needs to form letters, words, sentences or paragraphs to communicate a message. Writing is the representation of language in a textual medium using a set of signs and symbols. It is physical expression of what you think. So, it is a complex process of giving word frame to our mental thoughts, emotions and ideas. Writing is a cognitive task. How a learner turns her ideas into text that depends on her cognitive built-up or mental resources, such as the ability to be attentive, to recall, mental organization and logical arrangement of the ideas, etc. That writing is a form of communication that allows students to put their feelings and ideas on paper, to organize their knowledge and beliefs into convincing argument and thus to convey meaning through well constructed text. Importance of writing skill. Writing is a very effective means to inform, entertain, or to teach. Example: textbooks, CDs, online platforms, all search engines, newspapers, magazines, etc. are the most sought after written sources to seek knowledge or to entertain or to teach. Writing also enables to record the information for future. Today, if we are able to know about the prehistoric period, that is only because of writing. Writing fosters the ability to explain and express. It refines our cognitive skills as it increases knowledge, creativity, and imagination. Writing supports the personal and professional communication. Writing promotes learning of spelling, punctuation, capitalization, and reinforces vocabulary and structure already mastered orally. Let us understand the characteristics of a good handwriting. The first one is legibility. Legibility is about the quality of writing. It refers to the readability. A good handwriting is always clear enough to read. Uniformity. A good handwriting is uniform, regular, or follows homogeneity in writing. It is about bringing a kind of consistency in writing, specifically a size, slants of different letters. Distinctiveness means each letter, each word, each sentence, or in fact each paragraph in a written article should be recognized. That is the manner writing has to be presented. Distinctiveness refers to a quality of giving the recognizable presentation to each letter, each word, each sentence, or each paragraph in a written article. Capitalization is a characteristic which is about following the rules of writing capital letters as per the standard format. An example: you should capitalize proper nouns and first word of every sentence. Punctuation. A good handwriting always follows the rules of punctuation, and it is about the correct use of writing symbols such as full stops, commas, question marks, colon, apostrophe, etc. Spacing. Handwriting should maintain a proper spacing between the letter, between the words, between the sentences, and between the paragraphs. Speed. The speed in handwriting is the quickness with which the strokes are performed. Each individual writes with a particular graphical speed. It is expected that the text is started with a certain speed and it should be kept stable till the end of the writing. Simplicity refers to the simple, easy and pleasant manner of presenting the handwriting or performing the strokes of handwriting, avoiding any kind of overwriting. Attractive. Dear students, any handwriting which is legible, the shape, size and form of the letter is uniform, each letter gets its own distinctiveness, each letter or each word. Attractiveness is about the quality of handwriting being pleasant in its appeal, pleasant in its visual appeal. So, a handwriting which is legible, neat, proportionate and adequate in size and form, simple and accurate, and of course that kind of handwriting will be appealing, will be attractive in its presentation. Dear learners, thank you for watching. I hope you understood the part 1 of writing skills. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.